block 207. The reason I off the recording because I putting something on my hand because the mosquito bite me. So yeah, here comes the elevator. Let's go to 9. Cool. Going up, doors are closing. Bro, West Coast literally be replacing every old leaf, man. Story 9. Let's go down to 1. Doors are closing. Okay, here we are at 1. Yeah, they added new bumpers. Okay, let's ride the other Fuji. Now let's just take this seat. Yeah.
Yo. Okay.
Yeah, very unique Fuji tank here. Here we are at 10. Let's go down to 1. Front, rear. Here we are at 1. Alright, y'all. I go to block. Oh yeah, let's take the. Okay, after this we're gonna go to block 189190. So yeah, it's the other side. Cool, right? Alright, y'all. I'll just end the video here so I can record later.